going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Urban X Rides. Today we're going to be installing a UKC1 display on my frame for my e-bike conversion kit. Usually displays like UKC1, SW900, they go on the bars just up there, but I wanted to try something different and put it right here alongside with the button. Yeah, this is part of my dream e-bike build, which I've actually done 2 parts on so far, and 3 will be coming soon. So that's why I've done all this already. If you would like to go watch those videos, they are on my channel now. But enough talking, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so this mod for doing UKC1 on the frame, I think you can only do it with UKC1. I'm not really sure about SW900, but only things you're gonna need is a pair of Allen keys, set of Allen keys, whatever you got. Some zip tie holders. You can use 2 to 4. I don't know how much I'm gonna use, maybe even 3. I just got 4 there to be sure. And some zip ties. If you want to keep it like thin and clean, use some thin zip ties. Otherwise, if you want to keep it steady, you can use some thick ones. But other than that, let's get straight into it. First thing I'm going to do is flip over my UKC1 display just like this, and then there's 2 bolts at the back that controls this whole mounting area, which we cannot have to put this on the frame. So we're going to remove these 2 bolts and everything should come right off. And guys, I just popped the mount off just like that. 2 easy bolts came right off, and now we're left with just the screen and a flat mounting area. And the next crucial step, everybody, grab your zip tie holders, and then we're going to peel the adhesive bit off the back and stick them right just like that. Alrighty guys, and that was pretty easy. As you can see there, I've got my 3 zip tie mounts on and ready to be mounted onto the frame. For preview, this is how it will look, but I've got my 3 just like that, and then what we're gonna do is get 3 of the zip ties, put them through that and around the frame. Alrighty guys, and my screen is mounted just like that. I ended up using just the 2 like that. Tucked away the zip ties, cut them. It is a bit loose side to side, but in terms of moving like this, it's all good. Looks really nice and clean, gives you that nice look of your stem and bars. And now just gonna mount the button. How do we mount the button, you may be asking? Obviously you have to mount the button. I've done a little bit of modifications here. I just cut off the bit that actually is for mounting to go around your bars, and now I'm just going to get some hot glue and do a little bit there, and just stick it right on my frame. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. We have completed this tutorial. I'll just go over everything I did. With the UKC1 display nicely on there with the 2 zip ties and the zip tie holders. I've just hot glued, you can glue, zip tie, whatever, the button on nice and strong. Neaten up the cables with some more hot glue, just hot glued the cable so everything's out the way. And yeah, the bike is coming together, and I hope this tutorial helped. If you want to watch the full series on installing the bike, it's on my channel now. I'll link it up here so you can go watch it. But thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.